In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collect responses on monday.com. By the end, you'll know how to open an existing form, customize it so it captures exactly what you need, share it with your audience, and then view and export the submissions as a polished PDF. First, head to monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the board where your form lives. On the left side, you'll see your board's views and items. Find the existing form and click it to open. If you work with many boards or forms, use the search bar to locate the right one quickly. Opening the form from its board ensures that every submission routes to the correct place without any extra setup. With the form open, take a moment to customize it, adjust the title and description to set clear expectations, and check that each question maps to the right column in your board. You can rearrange fields so the most important questions appear first, toggle which fields are required, and add helpful placeholder text to guide respondents. Keep your wording simple and specific, and consider using consistent formats for dates, numbers, or drop-downs to make analysis easier later. A quick preview helps you confirm the flow and spot anything confusing before you share. When you're satisfied, click Share Form. This opens the sharing options where you can grab a public link, copy that link, and distribute it through your usual channels like chat, email, or your website. If you need to keep responses internal, double-check any access settings before you share. Shortening the link or pairing it with a short message increases completion rates, and it's a good idea to submit a quick test response yourself to make sure everything lands correctly on the board. To collect responses, distribute the form link to your audience, and watch submissions populate your board in real time. Notifications and updates will help you stay on top of new entries, and filters on the board can highlight the most urgent or relevant submissions. When you're ready to review results in detail, click on Workforms Submission Viewer. This view brings all responses together in a clean, readable layout. You can scan individual entries, filter by date or status, and confirm that attachments or long answers display correctly. From here, click the Export drop-down and choose Save as PDF. This will generate a formatted document of your submissions. Save it to your device and name it with a clear date or campaign label so it's easy to find later. And that's it. Your form is shared, responses are collected, and your data is ready to export.